2005 Honda Rincon oil change video. How do you change a freaking... Oh, excuse me. This is how you do the 2005 Honda Rincon. First of all, you go get your Honda filter for this ATV. Only ATV ever made with a torque converter. And get your freaking Honda oil, because you want to run this thing pretty nicely. Now, where is that thing? There's the oil filter, which is on this side actually. That's where your oil filter will be. Underneath is the drain plug. So right here, you take this thing off. First thing to do Honda oil change, take this off. Check. You got that? That's where you fill the filler tube, obviously right there. That's where you fill her up. This thing apparently takes 1 gallon of oil, 4.2 quarts. I heard that it was more than that, but the frickin' Larson cycle told me that it was that, so we'll find out. What's up, Kimmy? This is my sponsor. This guy sent me out a few, not gonna lie, a couple missiles, but you know, it works out for the best of us. We want to make sure there's no gas spills around this area. Very dangerous. So, alright, first thing you want to do is go underneath here. Which, these are dirty pants anyways. I don't care, I can get my panties wet. That other video that guy had on the internet is butt cheeks, man. He did not show where the drain plug is, he just said it's right there, points under it. So, Jonathan snares to save the day. This is the front end, so you know. So it's back here, not in the front, that guy's an idiot. And it's right there. Right there. That's what it is. So that's it right there. A little bit to the back, there's this plate here. I thought I might have to take off, but you know, just take that drain plug off. I'm gonna go get my tools. 17 millimeter, which mine don't fit. Dang it, yeah it does. 17 millimeter. Peter. Ew. Icky. Now Paul's here. That's stupid. I'm in the middle of the driveway. Yeah. For the film. Oh man. There. Mr. Big Rig. He's got a huge truck. But yeah, spilt a little bit of it. Spilt a little bit, but most of it went in there. That's an oil plug. Oil filter's right in here. The bottom was 17 millimeter and this one's 12. Nasty. Out with the old, in with the new.
A few moments later.
Now you add it to the engine. Right here on the left side, driver's side, that's the cap that goes right there. Take that panel off. Now you add like a gallon, apparently. I'm gonna find out. On the internet it takes 3 quarts, so we're almost down to 1. We're at a little under 2 right now. Little overflowed. We'll burn off the excess oil. This is the Honda Rincon. That is exactly how you change the oil. Thing runs beautiful. I got it at 2,800 miles 30 days ago as of today, 1 month ago. And I already got it racked up to 3,600, so we put on 800 miles on this beautiful baby. If you want to see videos of me ripping on this with my buddies, there's a video up in the corner. And then the end screen pop-ups will show videos of me ripping on this with my buddies, having a great time. And obviously, I'm being a rock star out here, mate. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, make sure you turn on them notifications, because we is finna really rip it up on the Rincon. I'm a rock star.